Okay, what we are missing are 3 additional views. This is the view from the onboarding screen, for the login screen, and for the register screen. First, I just need to resolve the error I have here by stating that I want to return task.completed task. And now I can go to modules and create 3 additional modules. So the first one is for onboarding. Here I need onboarding view model, and also I need onboarding view. Next, let's go ahead and set the binding context of the onboarding view to be onboarding view model. So I need to repeat the same thing for register and login views. Okay, we have all the missing pieces, and now what I will do is to create a completely new shell file. So our app shell.xaml, we are using this for the main part of the app, for the main flow, and we will create new shell file and use that file only for the login part, that is only for the onboarding, login, and register views. This is a new file. And the simplest way is to do this is by creating new content page, which we will create to the shell file. So I'm going to call this login shell. Then instead of content page, here I'm going to say this is shell class. This is the subclass of the shell. And here I'm not dealing with the content page, but instead I am dealing with the shell class. And content page is illegal in the shell class. Let me just quickly define the namespaces we need. I'm going to use shell content in order to put these new views inside the login shell. So I'm going to also state the route. The first one is for the onboarding, and the route name is onboarding view model. Content template. This is the data template from the onboarding view. The second content is the login content. So the route is the name of the view model. This is the login view model. And the content template, you already guessed, we are using login view for this. The third one, shell content. So route for this is the register view model. And in the content template, we are going to put the register view. So register view. Now we have our login shell ready, and what we need to do is to update the navigation service in order to work with both flows. So this means that it needs to have 2 additional methods, one for changing to the main flow, and second one to changing the flow to the login flow.